Hey everyone, it's easy to think that identity theft is something that happens to other people, but in reality it can happen to anyone. Today, I'm going to share some essential tips on how to protect your identity. Trust me, a few simple steps can make a big difference. First up, guard your social security number like it's gold. Don't carry your card around in your wallet or write your number on your checks. Only give it out when absolutely necessary. Now, let's talk about the internet. A playground for identity thieves. Be super cautious on social networks. It's fun to share, but remember, the more you post about your personal life, the more ammunition you give to thieves. Always manage your privacy settings to keep unwanted eyes off your information. Another key point is your passwords. Guys, password 123 isn't going to cut it. Use strong, unique passwords for different sites. And while you're at it, enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of security, making it tougher for hackers to breach your accounts. Phishing attempts are another common trick. These are fraudulent emails or messages that look legit but aim to steal your personal details. Always verify the source before clicking on any links or downloading attachments. If something smells fishy, it probably is. Lastly, keep a close eye on your credit reports. You're entitled to a free report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. Review them regularly for any unfamiliar activity. If you spot something odd, report it immediately. By taking these steps, you'll not only protect your identity but also give yourself peace of mind. Remember, staying informed and vigilant is your best defense against identity theft. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you found these tips helpful. Catch you in the next one.